Thank you for watching our instruction video on Loos's Locoloc number 0 1/4 single cavity hand swaging tool. Our tools are individually boxed, and you'll notice that the number of the tool and the UPC code is printed clearly on the end of each box. Contained inside each box, you'll find a package of lubrication grease, instructions, and a handy go gauge for measuring the after swage diameter of your compressions. This go gauge is used for the 1/4 inch sleeves that you'll be swaging with the tool, and we have complete instructions on how to properly use the tool, and also on the back you'll see that we have replacement parts available for the use of your tool over its lifetime. Notice the snap over center action when closing the handles of the tool. This snap over action ensures that each compression is complete before the tool closes. And you'll want to keep from using the tool in hazardous areas. When cutting wire ropes using this hand swaging tool, we recommend that you use the Locoloc brand cable cutter. Proudly made in Switzerland to the highest manufacturing standards, it's the best cable cutter really made for cutting wire rope. And in this case, we'll be using the C16. This is the largest Locoloc tool that is made. This tool is actually used by putting the tool on the floor, and when you cut the rope, you're actually pressing your body weight against the cable. It cuts quite easily. Most importantly though, you'll see that there's no frayed edges on the end of the cable, and there's no stray wires that will get in the way for inserting the cable into the wire rope sleeve. The cable inserts easily into the copper sleeve, and for this demonstration we'll be using a simple loop connection. We'll be compressing the copper sleeve, and you'll notice that there's a tail of wire rope that sticks out the end of the sleeve equal to 1 cable diameter. In this case we're using 1/4 inch wire rope. This tool is a single cavity tool for 1/4 inch wire rope only. And 1 compression has been made on the sleeve. Since this is a 1/4 inch copper sleeve, this will require 4 compressions to be complete. But after the first compression, take your go gauge and measure the after swage diameter of the sleeve, slipping it into the proper 1/4 inch slot. It should easily pass back and forth into the 1/4 inch slot, and this will show that the after swage is complete and accurate. You'll be swaging this sleeve a total of 4 times to make sure that the cable connection will exceed the breaking strength of the cable. This is what your sleeve should look like after it's been compressed 4 times. And then you can take your go gauge and you can measure each one of the compressions to make sure that you have the proper after swage diameter. When properly done, this connection is stronger than the wire rope itself. In other words, the cable will break before the copper sleeve connection will fail. You can always refer to the chart that comes with the tool to find the proper number of compressions for each size sleeve that you'll be using. And all of our Locoloc hand swaging tools are fully adjustable. Just with 1/4 turn of the set screw with the Allen wrench will readjust your tool to the proper after swage diameter.